Yeah.
What's worse than the red light? Safety.
Oh, okay.
Safety.
Funky Town. What you think about the wreck, man? Where was you betting at anyway? Quan lost.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how.
What I'm saying on track rules,
Yeah.
you can't do nothing to violate safety. You hit the wall across.
Even after a red light.
Yeah, even after a red light. It's called first and worse. They red lighted first, but worse, they wrecked. That's worse than the red light.
Okay, so boom. They take off. You see the other car red light. We automatically say, okay, we automatically say silver dollar one, but boom. He in the hit the wall, bam. Up, now the other side won.
They must have went on Grudge rules.
Yeah.
They go on Grudge rules. That's different.
Yeah.
You say track rules, your ass lose.
Yeah.
Track rules, you lose.
Yeah, you lose.
Go look at it for yourself. Let the viewers go look at it.
Where is it, man?
You want to go to Holland by track rules? Here we go.
Yeah.
Hey, look out.
What happened?
First and worst rule apply. You red light, which they did first. This the second, this works. Touch the tires on the way. Touch the tires on the way. You ain't got to cross. Touch the tires. White line before the finish line, you DQ. Hit your wall before the finish line, that's DQ. You fucking lost. They fucked them people out of 50,000. Fucked them out of 50,000. Hey, he was right there. Track rules, man. Fucked them out of 50,000.
So which one is the worst, though? I don't see.
Yo, this the worst. Tire touching the white line.
But that was first.
Look, first. Worse.
Yeah.
What's worse than the red light? Safety.
Oh, okay.
Safety.
Okay, safe.
That's worse than the goddamn red light. The fucking got fucked out of 50 motherfucking thousand.
Damn, I ain't know that was worse.
You know it now. You see that shit. Put that shit on photo, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, look. He low fuck somebody. Hey, look, man. Low.
Look, low. Look, man, look what he's saying. Look, at least.
Yeah. Get your money back. He fucked. Look at this red light.
They said track rules are grudge, right?
Hey, first the worst.
Did they say track or grudge?
Hey, if your tire touch the white line, it ain't got to go.
Show me where it say side bet.
Yeah.
Show me where it say side bet. Show me
Yeah,
where it say side bet, that you big head motherfucker.
You bet. I don't give a damn on the side, in the middle, on top, motherfucker. You bet. You're a dirty motherfucker. You fuck somebody. You don't fuck me, though. Hey.
That's a lying motherfucker right there.
Yeah.
And he gonna get all the last and shit, but they lost, bro. When soon as you red light, if me and you betting on the side, your car red light, give me my goddamn money.
Hey, man, that motherfucker there, he gon' get his motherfucking ass. Cause he fucked. He fucked. You fucked him, man.
No, I didn't.
You fucked him.
No, man.
Hey, man, put it on me.
Yeah.
Saying low fuck. Robbie Betty, he fucked.
Yeah.
Robbie Betty, get your money. Put the rules right here.
Yo.
Where it say side bet?
Hey, man,
Where
red
the
light.
side bet at?
They red light.
Yeah.
Hey,
Where the side bet?
Or worse.
Worse is touching the white line before the finish line DQ. Having the goddamn wreck. You lose. Hey, you need to pay up.
Yeah.
Come get your money. Low, y'all.
Low, do you owe?
You mislead your people, Queen.
Low, man.
You need to come back and get that motherfucker.
So you want to pay?
Man.
Pay me.
Low, so you got paid.
He got fucked on this.
Did you get paid? He didn't even get. Did he get paid, Low?
No, he fucked on people without.
Yeah.
He didn't pay, so he fucked people.
Yeah.
On that race, they tell me, man, my light on, motherfucker. We know we go by the rules.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.